Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So for today, you will see that I will be unboxing this Circle Premium DNA Collection Kit. I'm also excited to see what's inside and what's in store for me pag nalaman ko na kung para saan talaga ito. So here on the side, you'll see it says, unlock the power of your DNA. Back part naman, you will see a lot of information. And it says here, the most comprehensive DNA test in the industry. It also says here, Circle Premium is designed for those who take health and wellness seriously. Understand everything your genes can tell you about your cancer and disease risk, optimal diet and nutrition, family planning, and much more. Discover actionable insights that help you take control of your health. So, maraming nakalagay dito, diet, cancer risk, common health risks, family planning, nutrition, dementia and brain health, disease risk, drug response, sports and fitness, stress and sleep response, ancestry, skin, physical traits, personality traits, behavioral traits, success traits, gender traits, music and dance, pollution, and well-being. It also says here what you'll get if you have this Circle Premium DNA Collection Kit. You will also have a free lifetime subscription to DNA updates, including new categories and reports, 30 minutes consultation with a genetic counselor, and 30 minutes consultation with a genetics trained health coach. Results will be ready within 18 business days from receipt of sample at our laboratory. And it also states here that it's 99.9% analytical accuracy. There. I'm excited to see what's inside too. Ooh. There. And naka-seal talaga siya, guys, with a sticker na mukhang DNA. There. Okay. It says here, say hello to you. The first envelope that we have is, it has something like this, says change and say hello to you. Oh, okay. So there's a letter. It says here, dear friend, let me be the first to welcome you to the Circle community. Like you, we are driven by a passion for health and being the best versions of ourselves. We believe that by understanding your DNA, it is our greatest opportunity to improve and optimize health for life's journey. We hope you'll think of Circle as more than just a DNA test. Approach it with open arms and be prepared to make changes that will allow you to live a healthier and happier life. To further inspire your change, enclosed is our Circle of Change bracelet. Thank you for making a difference. Prevention, not treatment. Okay, so this is the Circle of Change bracelet. Oh, so it's a bracelet. And wear it. Agad-agad. There you go. Next that we have inside is the DNA Collection Kit. Oh, okay. So it says here, register this kit. That's the first step there. And then, collect your DNA sample. Okay, so it has the instructions here. Do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before collecting your saliva sample. So it has sterile flock collection device. There. It's the swab, cotton swab. And then, it also has the, okay, this is where you put your sample, your saliva sample, here. There. So, it has liquid inside. I think this is for making sure that your saliva is secured or nothing will happen to it while in transport. It has instructions, what to do. Everything is here. Just follow the instructions. I'll be showing you on a separate video how to do this, how to collect your sample. And first, of course, we have to download the app. Ayun, that's it for this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!